you guys saw the videos of my car with the really loud exhaust, the camera definitely didn't do it any justice because it is ridiculously loud. But today I'm going to be with my dad. We're going to try and weld the exhaust on before I have to go to work. It's been about a week, a little bit more than a week since that happened, so I've just been kind of bearing with it. It does kind of sound like a tractor or a lawnmower or whatever, so it does kind of sound funny, but it's not horrible. But once you cross over VTEC, it's just ridiculously loud. It's like, yeah. So we're gonna try and fix it really quick, and then I can take some videos inside the car so I don't have to shout when you guys are in the car with me. So here's the piece that disconnected from, and this is the pipe itself. So this should go into the pipe, and then this little band right here is the factory weld. So this must have just, from years of it being underneath a car on roads and heat and all that stuff, just decided to come out. So we're gonna just throw it back in here and then tack weld it in place. We put the muffler on so that way we have a general idea of how it's gonna line up. So we're going to do that, mark it, take it down, and then weld it on the bench over here or something.
Can you get one on this side? Like both.
So we just put those couple of tacks on here. You can see one of them like right there. And now that it's basically put together in the exact spot that it came off originally, we're just gonna tack it a couple more spots around.
Not too bad. Not too shabby of a welder, I guess.
Oh boy.
Who welded that?
Okay. So these aren't really the prettiest of welds, they really are just tack welds. Again, this is a Harbor Freight welder. It's a flux core welder, so it really isn't meant to look pretty. It's more for just like tack welding things in place and convenience. So if we did this with gas or with a stick welder or something, it would definitely come out better, but it's underneath the car, you're never gonna see it. Just as long as the exhaust doesn't leak through it, that's not really, I don't really care how it looks. So we finally got the exhaust fixed. It isn't really very pretty, but you know, whatever works for this situation. A little bit shorter than the usual videos that I make. This one was definitely more of just an update video. I haven't really been keeping you guys up to date on the Civic too much because I've been doing a lot of videos for my friends. If you guys haven't seen any of those videos, definitely check them out. Let me know what you guys want to see. I definitely have some more stuff coming for the Civic. I have some parts coming in the mail, so I'm excited to get that. I'm going to be doing an unboxing and then an installation of those parts on my own car, and then I'll probably be doing an overview video of my entire car just to break down the build and what's been put into it over the years of me owning it. I know a lot of people have questions on my Instagram, so I will happily answer them there on this next coming video. So give me a like, give me a sub if you guys enjoy the content, and let me know what else you guys want to see. If you don't already follow me on Instagram, you could check me out right here, so you could stay up to date on more current topics on my car. A lot of the videos that I do film end up coming out about a week later, depending on how I get around to editing because of work and school and everything. So that's gonna wrap it up. Like I said, just a quick update video. Definitely stay tuned for some of the other videos coming out, and I will see you guys in those videos then.